Hello everybody. Are you came here to learn about Einstein? Knowledge Meals appreciates your curiosity. Come, let's get into the video. Five things followed by the Einstein to keep his brain more functioning. As we all know that Albert Einstein is one of the greatest scientists met by our world. He was very famous for his formula, E is equal to mc square. Not only this, he also developed theory of relativity and his pivotal steps in quantum theory. He also received Nobel Prize for his discovery of photoelectric effect. Even now no one could believe him as a normal human. By hearing all this, the one thing rise in our brain is how can he able to do all these things? The answer is, he used to follow some strange habits to keep his brain actively working. They are 1. Sleep. Einstein was famously known for his sleepy nature. He used to sleep 10 hours daily. His opinion is, sleeping is the only way of creating new ideas. Even the relativity is a result of his dream during sleeping. Even Watson used this way to discover DNA. 2. This was one of the strange and crazy habit of Einstein. That is, he often eat the insects directly from the ground. His opinion is, insects contain many carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and various vitamins. Oh my God. This is very difficult to be followed by me. Then what about you? Comment below your opinion. 3. Einstein is a good violinist. He could play violin for several hours with bird watching. His opinion is playing violin help him in coordination and concentration. It helped him to daydream and create many ideas. 4. He did not wear socks. The reason he said is, when he was young his great toe will make hole in the socks. Then without socks he could think comfortably. 5. Walking. He used to walk 20 minutes daily. And he said that walking helped him to distract his brain from same way of thinking. Because different problems require different thinking. At last he was a serious pipe smoker. He said that pipe smoking helped him to relax his mind. When he was working he was fully surrounded by smokes. Since smoking is bad for health, you guys should not follow smoking. These activities helped Einstein to imagine and developed creativity. As he said, imagination is more important than knowledge. The meal of the day is, which character of Einstein attracted you more? Comment your answer below. Don't forget to subscribe. Knowledge Meals channel. It unlocks your brain.